Hello and welcome to Britannia Dessert Carnival. I'm Nandita and today I'm going to show you how to make eggless mawa cake. So to start this recipe, we'll start by preparing the wet ingredients together in the pan. So this is mava or khoya. I'm adding most of the milk, but I'm going to reserve some just in case I want to adjust the consistency of the batter in the end. So here we have condensed milk and butter. So on a low to medium flame, I'm going to mix this up together. So now this has all come together. I'm going to switch off the flame. While the wet ingredients are cooling, let's prepare the rest of the mixture. I'm going to sieve the baking powder and the maida together. This is to ensure that it's uniformly combined together. So just keep a sieve above the bowl, put in your maida and the baking powder and then just pass it through the sieve. Now I'm going to add the wet ingredients to the bowl. I'm just mixing this together to get a smooth batter. At this point, I'm going to add the green cardamom powder and the saffron. We don't need to beat the mixture too much, I'm just mixing it in gently. So the batter has reached a nice smooth consistency. We have a loaf mold here into which I'm going to pour the batter. And here we have some roughly chopped cashew nuts. I'm just going to sprinkle this all over the surface of our mawa cake. So now I'll be putting this into a preheated oven at around 175 to 180 degrees. And for this size of loaf pan, I'll be baking it for around 25 minutes. But it totally depends upon what size and shape of the tin you are baking in. So our eggless mawa cake is baked and ready. I love to have this with a cup of tea. If you like this recipe, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe for more such videos from Britannia Dessert Carnival.